Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, June 7th, 2023. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Just a reminder, tonight at 8 p.m., we'll have our live chat. So I'm looking forward to seeing everyone there as we talk about, well, the smoke that's in the region, the threat for rainfall, maybe, by early this week and next week, should I say, and also any other questions you might have about the weather and climate and everything else. So, in the meantime, let's dive into our observations. And once again, it is smoky. It is uncomfortable in terms of the air quality, and in some cases, it's dangerous. So, unfortunately, not much has really improved in that respect. We have a lot of smoke hanging around the region. In fact, we have some icons here because of the smoke. When you're looking at some of the observations here, this right here, this means smoke. I mean, I haven't seen that in the region ever. I mean, that's pretty impressive, and it's reducing the visibility anywhere between 2.5 to 5 miles. So it's just a very poor situation in terms of our air quality because of the smoke. Temperatures range from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid 50s in your suburbs, upper 50s to lower 60s in your urban areas. And really, it all comes down to the visible satellite picture. This is just impressive. This isn't cirrus clouds or low clouds or anything of that nature. This is just plain old smoke coming right from the fires in Canada. We also had some forest fires developing in central New Jersey that has added into the smoky film around the region. So again, very, very poor air quality is in place here. And this, if your lungs are bothering you, this is why. This is just some very impressive transport of smoke over the region. And unfortunately, it's going to be continuing through the rest of this week. So I don't really see much in the way of a reduction in the transport of smoke until we get to this weekend, specifically on Sunday, when the winds start to shift and we don't have that northwesterly flow coming out of Quebec, but instead we get more of a westerly wind starting to clear out some of this smoke by the time we get to late Saturday into Sunday at various levels of the atmosphere. So it's going to take some time, unfortunately. On the surface map and radar, again, we have currently tranquil conditions. We'll have to watch out for this trough sparking off a few isolated showers or thunderstorms in the afternoon. And the concern with these thunderstorms is that you have all this dry air around, but you also have all this smoke, which enhances cloud nuclei and also enhances the potential for lightning. So you already have a dry surface. You don't have much in the way of rainfall. You throw in some lightning, and you can enhance the potential for more forest fires around our region. So it's still a pretty significant concern that we're going to watch out for. Combine that with the winds, and it doesn't take much to cause some problems. So a lot of bad conditions in place right now. But I do see some changes where we will get some rainfall, and I think that we'll see some improvement. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, hazy, smoky, and dangerous for air quality. Look for high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight into tomorrow morning, again, hazy, smoky conditions continue. We'll have to watch out for an isolated thunderstorm in the evening, but that's pretty much about it. Look for low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. Tomorrow afternoon, rinse and repeat. Smoky, hazy, uncomfortable, a bit dangerous if you have any type of lung injuries or issues. And again, a threat for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Look for temperatures to rebound into the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. For Friday, same scenario. Rinse, repeat. Isolated shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon, and in the evening hours, watch out for the threat for smoky, hazardous conditions. And some of these thunderstorms could produce a brief heavy downpour. And that could lead to another complicated situation in that with the heavy downpours on Friday and the very dry surface, some of that rainfall may not reach the actual water table. and just wash off some of the soil. So that could lead to some localized flash flooding as well. So we'll watch that very carefully. Look for low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the immediate coast, and mid 70s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, same scenario again, another trough dropping on through with our northwesterly flow, still smoke in the atmosphere. Watch out for isolated showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. Temperatures will range from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, we start to see a shift. Look for increasing cloud cover, and the transport of smoke will start to get choked off with more of a westerly wind component. Look for low temperatures to range from the upper 50s to lower 60s. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast, and mid 80s to possibly lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. We'll watch that very carefully to see how much clearing occurs to allow for temperatures to spike on Sunday. We'll watch that very carefully. And then on Monday, we get an increase of showers and thunderstorms. Now, the start will develop on Sunday night and then continue to grow on Monday with the transport of more moisture into the region. These showers and thunderstorms will be widely scattered initially and then increase in coverage as we move on through the day as a cold front slowly approaches the region. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Tuesday, the cold front will slowly move through with widespread showers and thunderstorms. Some of this rainfall could be heavy at times, producing localized flash flooding. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range quite a bit from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, upper 70s to lower 80s over the Delaware River Valley, mid to upper 70s along the coast, and upper 60s to lower 70s on Long Island. And then on Wednesday, the cold front exits with a few isolated showers lingering around with some troughs rotating through. But other than that, sky cloud cover. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast, and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.